Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Done using Messenger and want to remove it from your phone completely? Today I'll show you how to uninstall the Messenger app on Android and iPhone بسهولة. Step 1. Open App Library. Go to your phone's home screen or App Library. Find the Messenger app icon on your device. Step 2. Hold app icon, press and hold the Messenger icon for a few seconds. This will open a quick action menu. Step 3. Select Uninstall. Tap the Uninstall or Remove App option. This begins the app removal process. Before we continue, tap Subscribe to keep your tech game strong with Preyo Phonie's step-by-step guides. Step 4. Confirm deletion. Tap OK or Delete App to confirm your choice. The app will now be removed from your device. Step 5. Complete removal. Wait a few seconds for the uninstall process to finish. Messenger and its local data will be fully deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to uninstall Messenger from your device completely. Free up space and remove apps you no longer need anytime. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart, practical tech tutorials every day.